Think with the chance, find the difference. Hello my dear friends, I'm Tony from the chance. Thank you for watching our live show today. Today I'm going to talk about the major problems faced by poultry feed manufacturers and the possible solutions that we can provide. Before we get to the topic today, I want to make a brief introduction to our company, the Chance Group. The Chance Group was incorporated in 2004, starting with and always focusing on R&D and manufacturing of bioacids. Bioacids is an endogenous emulsifier and liver protector, which can improve the fat digestion and absorption, promote the secretion of bile, and protect the liver health of farming animals. In 2014, our product, rumen bioacids, was granted by Ministry of Agriculture of China with a new feed additive certificate, which means that in the following 5 years, the Chance Group will be the only legal manufacturer of bioacids in China. In the past few years in China, bioacids have been used by most of major feed manufacturers and integrated companies such as New Hope, Tongwei, both of which are on the top 10 feed manufacturers in the world. And we also export our product to more than 20 countries and areas, including USA, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Ecuador, Egypt, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Taiwan, etc. Thank you for your attention. Now, let's get to the topic today. In 2020, we experienced maybe the most influential pandemic in human history, and we all witnessed the great impact of COVID-19 on the economic development and social life in the worldwide range. By now, the vaccines for COVID-19 are already on the market, and it seems that the pandemic will not stop in 2021 and will continue its impact on the global economy recovery. And for the feed industry and livestock industry, the impact of COVID-19 has been so obvious. Actually, since the outbreak of COVID-19, the prices of feed raw materials keep rising, which has become a heavy burden to all those who are involved in this industry. It is safe to say a food crisis is possible, so it is necessary to do more to reduce the production cost, only by which we can survive in this great disaster. Today, I will talk about how to reduce feed production cost, and I will focus on the broiler feed. The first question is about what are the feed production costs of a feed manufacturer. The feed production cost consists of cost of raw materials, quality control cost, manufacturing cost, marketing cost, logistic cost, and service cost. And let's see the core competitiveness for feed manufacturer. Cost control, production efficiency, and service value. To be specific, one feed manufacturer needs to control the production cost, including cost of feed raw materials, reduce unqualified feed, and provide customers with good product and service. As we mentioned earlier, the prices of feed raw materials keep rising. That's a big problem for all feed manufacturers. So that's the next question. How to save feed production cost when the prices of raw materials keep rising? We have the following solutions for you. 1. Replace expensive materials with cheaper ones. For example, replace regular animal and plant protein materials, including meat and bone meal, soy meal, with sunflower meal, DDGS, and peanut meal. Number 2. Reduce content of proteins by 0.5% to 1%. Reduce the usage of soya meal, meat and bone meal. Meanwhile, add synthetic amino acids. 3. Add feed additives that can promote the digestion and absorption of fat, reduce the content of oil, and reduce the cost. Here are 2 customer cases for you. The 2 customers are 2 big feed manufacturers in China. Our technical expert provided solutions to modify the feed formula, and finally, $2 per ton feed was saved. We reduce the content of proteins and add some other cheaper protein materials. Meanwhile, we add bile acids in the feed, which can improve the fat digestion and absorption, so it prevents some proteins are used as energy source. Most important is that the production performance was not compromised. Instead, we had 1.2% and 3.6% more body weight gain compared with the control group. That's all for today's live show. If you are interested in our product bile acids, please contact me directly, and we will get back to you very soon. At the end of today's live show, here is a video for you, and you will know more about our company and our product bile acids. Thanks for watching. I'm Tony. See you next time.
In modern breeding industry, fat or oil content becomes for fat digestion with 3 steps: emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Different with emulsifiers, bile acids play an important role in the whole steps. Emulsification. Bile acids have a special structure by which combine with hydrophilic elements and lipophilic elements. One of them can fix in water and another one will insert into the fat. Under this way, fat can be emulsified into little droplets, which will help enlarge the contact areas with lipase. Digestion. The suitable pH value for lipase is 8 to 9. But the pH value in the intestine is 6 to 7. Lipase doesn't work under this condition. The lipase can be activated by bile acids. When they combine together, as bile acids can open its cap and release the catalyzed elements. In the meanwhile, the structure of lipase is also changed, which can let fat droplets contact with catalytes. Under this way, fat would be hydrolyzed into fatty acids, glycerinum and monoglyceride. Absorption. Short-chain fatty acid would be absorbed directly, while long-chain fatty acid can only be absorbed after combining into chloramicron with bile acids and a phospholipid. Get through the identification system of intestine epithelial cell and then passing to bloodstream in order to finish the absorption process. At the same time, bile acids will part from the compound and back into the liver through portal vein, then enter into intestine with the new secreted ones to finish its enterohepatic circulation. Under this circulation, recyclable bile acids will promote bile secretion. A large amount of bile can wash out endotoxin and mycotoxin produced by using antibiotics and non-conventional feedstuffs. What's more, adding bile acids can also effectively release the heavy burden of liver, thus play an important role in protecting the health of liver and gallbladder. As the most professional manufacturer in China, Lechon's bile acids has been approved as one new type feed additives, and it has earned good reputation from the clients in domestic and overseas. Bile acids, one perfect solution for fatty acid nutrition.